Fiat O.S.C.A. 1600 by Fissore 1963. The Fiat Pininfarina Cabriolet, Tipo 118G, was a two-door, two-passenger, front-engine rear-drive convertible manufactured by Pininfarina, and marketed by Fiat across two generations, 1959 to 1963, 1964 to 1966, superseding the Fiat 1200 Spider. By the end of manufacture in 1966, total production had reached 34,211 with sporting versions, 1500s/1600s, equipped with Oscar-built twin-cam engines, reaching a production of 3,089. The Cabriolet was superseded by the Fiat 124 Sports Spider, introduced in 1966. Pininfarina had shown a similar, Oscar-powered convertible called the Fiat Oscar 1500 GT at the 1958 Turin Motor Show. Production models received the same 1221cc OHV engine as the earlier 1200 TV transformable Spider, albeit somewhat more powerful, with 59 CV, 43 kilowatts. The two-seat 1200 Cabriolet also retained the chassis of the 1200 TV transformable. Front suspension is independent with coil and wishbone, combined with a live, leaf-sprung rear axle. The 1200 was not fast enough to be considered a sports car, so Fiat decided to take a shortcut to this market by using Oscar's existing twin-cam engine design. Chief Engineer Dante Giacosa initiated Fiat's relationship with Oscar in a July 1957 meeting with Ernesto Maserati. In November 1959 the 1500 Cabriolet appeared with this 1491cc engine, fitted with twin Weber carburetors and developing 80 CV, 59 kilowatts. The Tipo 118 engine was a close relative of the Tipo 372 DS unit fitted to the Oscar's MT4 racing car, as well as the later road-going Oscar 1600 GT2 and SP, although Fiat took over production at their Fiore factory, now with a cast iron rather than the original aluminium block. Oscar bought engines built by Fiat for their own purposes, and fettled those units further. The new model was called the Fiat 1500 Cabriolet, Tipo 118S, and received a wider, non-functional, air scoop on the bonnet, a rev counter, as well as the larger drum brakes from the larger 1800-2100 saloons, and 15-inch wheels. In July 1960 the name was changed to Fiat 1500S Cabriolet, and it now had disc brakes front and rear. About 1,000 of the Oscar-engined 1500-1500S models were built. In mid-1962 this engine was replaced with one bored out by 2 mm to 1568 cc. The twin-cam 4 of the 1600S, Tipo 118S, had 90 CV, 66 kilowatts 100 horsepower c. These cars received a distinctive, asymmetric air intake until 1963 when the 1600S was facelifted while the 1200 was replaced by the pushrod-engined 1500 Cabriolet. In 1960 Pininfarina presented a coupe version of the 1500 Cabriolet. This model, built in small numbers and sold by Pininfarina themselves, received a smaller windscreen as well as a shortened boot lid to accommodate the larger rear windshield. It remained a strict two-seater and continued to be built with a 1600 engine and after the range was facelifted in 1963. Fiat also offered a removable hardtop for the cabriolets,